In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add line numbering in Google Docs. Line numbers make it simple to reference exact parts of your document during edits, reviews, or meetings. By the end, you'll know how to turn them on, choose how they behave, and even restart numbering in the middle of a page. Start by opening your document in Google Docs. Make sure you're looking at the file you want to edit and place your cursor anywhere in the document. Next, go to the top menu and click Tools. From that drop-down, choose Line Numbers. This opens a settings panel on the right side of your screen where all the controls live. To enable numbering, check the option that says Show Line Numbers. As soon as you do, numbers appear in the left margin alongside your text. This doesn't change your content, it just adds a helpful visual guide for referencing lines. If you ever want to hide them again, you can simply uncheck that same box. Now, choose how you want those numbers to behave. You have three choices. Continue throughout the document keeps the count running from the very first line to the very last, which is perfect if you want a consistent reference across the entire file. Restart on each page resets the count at the top of every page, which is handy when you're printing or reviewing page by page. Restart on each section resets the numbers at each section break, giving you more control if your document is divided into parts, chapters, or distinct sections. If you need numbering to restart in the middle of a page, here's how to do it cleanly. Click in your document exactly where you want the new numbering to begin. Then go to Insert, choose Break, and select Section Break, Continuous. This creates a new section without forcing a new page. With that section in place, return to the line numbering panel and set the behavior to restart on each section. From that point forward, the numbering will begin again at 1. If the numbers don't restart, double check that your cursor is placed after the section break and that restart on each section is selected. That's all you need to add, control, and restart line numbers in Google Docs. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.